Hello guys, this is Darwin again, and how to earn Bitcoin in Coinpot. In Coinpot we have Bitcoin Core and Bitcoin Cash and Dash, Litecoin and Dogecoin. But first, let's register in Coinpot. All you need is to have an email address like a Gmail or Yahoo. Let's wait. So all you need is Gmail, something like that, at blah blah blah, and password. After you get registered, I will give you this link of this site, just like this. Bitfun, Cash, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, something like that. But all you need is one email and one password, so that it will go directly to your Coinpot. All you need is registered, something like that. Let's close this. Let's go to my account and let's refresh. So let's try to claim our reward in Litecoin and Bitcoin and what's the Moondash. Where is the Moondash? I think this is the Moondash. So let's go to the Litecoin. We have this Litecoin, and so the more time it consumes, the more literacy you get. So let's try to claim. Oops. Oh, yeah. My mind's eye. Then submit. Oops. Wrong. Let's claim again. Sausages. So 583 Litecoin, and let's go and refresh. Oh, we have this Litecoin, so let's try to in Bitfun. 52 Satoshi will go to the Bitcoin Core. So 5,629 Bitcoin and plus 52 Satoshi. So this Bitcoin Core is the BTC. This is linked to your coins.ph if you have. Let's claim, then and refresh. 629 and 681. So same email and one password. So how to withdraw your Bitcoin Cash, or how to convert your Litecoin to BTC. So all you need to do is click this arrow down and then convert to Litecoin. So there are different also where you can convert your Litecoin. So Bitcoin Core, something like that. And for example, you get this Litecoin and you will get this Bitcoin, something like that. So, and let's go to the dashboard. and how to withdraw your Bitcoin Core or BTC. Withdraw Bitcoin Core. Withdraw method. There are different kinds of withdraw method. But you can enter your wallet address in your coins.ph, and maximum is something like this, but we can't withdraw because we need to have a 0.001 BTC, something like that. And thank you. That's all, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.